To use your Expedia points, start by navigating to the Expedia website, where you'll find various sections, including search tools, at the top of the page. These tools allow you to search for and book flights, cars, packages, things to do, cruises, and stays. To book a stay, for example, select the stays option, choose your destination, and input your travel dates. You'll also need to specify the number of travelers and then click Search to view the available options. The search results can be filtered to narrow down your choices. Once you've selected a property, you can view its details and reserve it by scrolling down and clicking the Reserve option. When you're ready to pay, you'll need to fill out a form with your necessary information. If you have Expedia points, you can use them as a payment method. Simply look for the option to use your points under the Payment Method section. Note that this option will only be available if you have more than 0 Expedia points.